Hello everybody and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert multiple rows into a data set and get data copied and pasted to that range easily, one step procedure without any use of macros and formulas. So let's get started. Okay, this is a data set I want to demonstrate with. I want to insert 4 rows. These 4 rows here, these 4 rows of data, I want to copy it and paste it upon every row. In fact, after every row of data here, I want to insert this one. After every row of data, I have to insert this one. So the normal procedure, you insert the rows, then copy and paste. So I want to show you first a very simple way of inserting those rows. If your data set that you want to manipulate is starting from column A, then you will definitely need to shift it one column to the right. But if it's starting somewhere else apart from column A, then it's okay. You just need one more row, one empty column to use the helper column for the trick, so you can easily insert your rows. So I'm going to shift this one column to the right. I get that. Then name this column anything is absolutely necessary for you to name it. So I can name it sort, and then you need to fill down this range with a series. So that series is going to be in 1, 2, 3 up to until it ends here on the way it finds the last row with data. So what I do here to fill that series easily, I type 1 and 2, then select the 2 numbers, double click. So I have numbers in a series from 1 up to 29. Now I have 29 rows here. If I want to insert 4 rows after each, I have to copy this range, this series 1 to 29, paste it, stack it one on top of the other. I paste the first one, that's the first duplicate for one row, the second time for the second duplicate, the third time for the third duplicate, and the fourth time for the fourth duplicate. Now I go back to the beginning. I right click on this cell, any cell in this column A that I inserted, take sort, and I'm sorting smallest to largest. So I bring up all the 1s, all the 2s, and all the 3s. Now you have 4 rows here that have been shifted up to provide you with space to add the data you want to add. The next thing I want to do is to copy this data set and paste upon this one. So this column actually has done its work. We don't need it anymore. We can eliminate that. Now our next deal is to copy this data set and paste it into this range. So what you need to do is first of all copy this one, copy that range, Ctrl C, keep it in the clipboard, and then you select the whole of this data. Now I click the first one, hold down your shift key and click on the last row, the last cell here with data. So I have the whole of this range selected, and now press Ctrl G or F5 to go to the go to dialog box. You can as well come to find and select and see go to, take special, and then you take blanks and take OK. Now Excel will select all the blank cells for you, so you can copy and paste your data. Okay, after Excel selects the blank rows, all you need to do is press Ctrl V, and then you have your data all pasted here. But one thing to note, always make sure that this range that you are copying and pasting is of the same dimension, because if they are not of the same dimension, Excel will give you an error message that they cannot paste. The copy and paste dimensions are not the same. What do we mean by dimensions? Especially the same number of rows selected here and the same number of columns here should be the same range as this block that you have here, for Excel not to run into an error. So that is it. That's how you can insert rows easily into an existing data set. Most of all, without having to insert complete rows, you just duplicate, you just shift up the empty rows from down, and then copy and paste data into that rows easily. You could do this with 1,000 rows, 100,000 rows, as many rows as you have, but it will depend on your computer power, their computing power, to do that job quickly. So if you enjoyed this video, why not leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on anything that we paste on this channel. Thank you.